Ditch the information chaos and say hello to Notion, your new best friend for creating a powerful and organized wiki. First, open Notion and create a new page. This will be the home page for your wiki. Give it a clear and descriptive title, something like Team Wiki or Project Knowledge Base. Now, the magic begins. Type // to bring up the command menu and select Database Board. This will give you a visual way to organize your wiki pages into categories. Rename the default columns to match your main knowledge areas. Think categories like onboarding, project guidelines, or company policies. Then, add new pages as cards under each relevant category. Click on any card to open it, and now you can add your content. Use headings to structure information, write clear explanations, embed relevant images or videos, and format it all in a way that is easy to read and follow. To enable collaboration, click the Share button and invite your team members. Grant them the appropriate access levels, like can view or can edit, depending on their role, for even more power. Link databases. Create a separate database for, say, team members, and then link it to pages within your wiki to easily reference who's responsible for what. Finally, take advantage of Notion's powerful search function to quickly find the information you need. Just type in keywords, and Notion will instantly surface relevant pages and content. Now you've mastered the basics of creating a wiki in Notion. So get organized and start sharing knowledge.